In the heart of Enugu, Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, the compassionate founder of Multi-Life Savers for the Less Privileged, extends a helping hand to members of northern and western regions of Nigeria. On this special occasion, as part of his birthday initiative, Reverend Father Mbaka generously gave gifts of 100,000 naira to each individual, empowering them to invest in their businesses. For those without a place to call home, this initiative goes beyond financial support. It provides a foundation for a secure future. Multi-Life Savers, an intercontinental, intercultural, intertribal, interreligious, interdenominational, and intergender NGO stands as a beacon for the less privileged. Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka's benevolent act transcends boundaries, bringing smiles to faces across diverse tribes and religions in our nation. This grace to assist the less privileged is a divine gift bestowed upon Father Mbaka, and we pray for God's continued blessings upon him. Multi-Life Savers, committed to uplifting the less privileged for a brighter, more inclusive tomorrow.